welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going out with my friends. We just want to hang out, have a nice time, nice Sunday.
They won't buy out.
You want to carry that?
Now let's move this car before it comes back.
We have to go out that day. We'll bring Cheesy. Cheesy is expert now. She'll lead
Not to speak out. Fake life.
This is the first time I'm doing pink, and it goes pink eye, pink lips, and everything is blending. Hi guys, we're at Eden, the Wingist.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart.
Hi, so I'm about to create content for Instagram, real video actually, and I've already done my makeup. Let me show you guys what I'll be wearing. I had the idea to create like a brown tone look, and this is what I pulled out from my closet. I'm probably needing those bags, and these are the shoes that I'll be wearing for this look. So I really hope the video comes out nice. It's one thing to have an idea, and it's another thing for your idea to come out to life the way you actually envisioned it. So let me get to filming before it starts getting dark. This is like 2 p.m. I'm hoping to be done by maybe 4. I'm just going to fix my edges, set up where I'll be shooting, and get to filming. I just finished filming. I had to open my windows so that I could have enough light for my video. I need to get another light in to support the one that I have. The light is not doing enough for me. The weather is freaking hot. Just look at me, I am sweating. I said I was going to be done by 4, but this is 4:56 and it is crazy. 4 looks, guys.
Taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, I'ma lose it out of control. Yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah.
I just finished setting up the smartphone vlogging kit. I need to get a connector to connect the microphone to my phone because it didn't come with a connector. It came with a 50 LED light, 3 color diffusers, microphone, tripod obviously, bracket, and the phone and action cam mount. So yeah, there's a battery here. This LED light came with a charger, so this is rechargeable and this increases 3 times.
Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay tonight. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can...
Hi guys, today's Friday. I'm exhausted. I don't know if you can tell that I am tired. I couldn't sleep last night. I have a collaboration today with a brand called Skin101. I was up all night planning my Insta stories, what I would say, what will be in, what the clips will be like, and yeah, basically how the day will go today. So yeah, so I would stop at DHL. I have something to do for my business, and I'm not sure that will happen, but I will just try my best. This is almost 12 and my appointment is for 2 p.m. so I really don't know how today is going to be, but first I want to stop at Ebeano supermarket. I want to pick up some few stuffs there, then do some deliveries. So that's how I intend to spend the day today. Nothing serious. The only serious thing now is the facials, which I'm super excited, but it is work, guys. This thing is work. Anyway, I will see you guys later.
Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay tonight. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. I know what I want, know that I care. Nothing can change that. Talk to me, babe, fight for me, babe. I need you to hear me. Never have I felt this way. I hope you feel the same. I'ma lose it out of control. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you make me lose